Welcome back to Technician's Toolbox and our series on electronic throttle controls. This video will focus on the Honda ETC system. Honda's ETC system functions much the same way that all other ETC systems operate. Reviews of Part 1 and Part 2 of this series are available in the video library. We will cover a few items specific to the Honda ETC system in this video. This throttle is electronically controlled by the PCM using an APP sensor, a throttle actuator module, a DC motor, and a TP sensor. The throttle actuator module relay powers the TAC module. If the ECM detects a problem, this relay is turned off. The relay is mounted behind the glove box. The control side of the relay receives power from the PGM-FI main relay, and the ECM controls ground. The ETC module communicates with the ECM, evaluates the TP sensor input, and drives the throttle actuator motor. The ETC module is mounted behind the glove box. As the accelerator pedal position changes, the APP sensor varies the signal voltage to the ECM. The voltages differ between APP sensor A and B. Sensor A varies from 0 volts at closed throttle to 5 volts wide open throttle. Sensor B is at about 0.25 volts at idle and increases at about half the rate of APP-A. The idle learn procedure must be done so the ECM can learn the engine idle characteristics. The idle learn procedure should be performed whenever the PCM is reset with either the scan tool or disconnecting power, reflashed, replaced, or when the throttle body is cleaned. The procedure for this relearn is as follows. Make sure all electrical items such as your AC, your radio, rear defogger, etc. are off. Reset the ECM with a scan tool or remove the clock backup fuse in the right instrument panel fuse box. Note, some vehicles are equipped with the theft deterrent radios. Battery negative disconnect can cause the radio to lock. Turn the ignition switch on and wait 2 seconds. Start the engine, hold the engine speed at 3000 RPM without load in park or neutral until the radiator fan comes on, or until the engine coolant temperature sensor reaches 194 degrees. Let the engine idle for about 5 minutes with the throttle fully closed. Note, if the radiator fan comes on, do not include its running time in the 5 minutes. Honda's ETC systems share many of the same diagnostic procedures that other manufacturers have. Throttle bodies should not be cleaned on the engine or remove them for this service. Always consult the manufacturer's service procedures. Check with your parts supplier for more information on the Electronic Throttle Control PTS Clinic or information on any of the clinics offered by the Professional Technician Seminar program. Thanks for watching this video. Catch another new Technician's Toolbox video next week.